So every month you receive your profit and loss statement from your bookkeeping, or run the report in your accounting software. And most business owners either skim it, ignore it, or stare at it, hoping the numbers make sense. And in today's video, we're going to walk through exactly what a P&L statement is, what each section actually means, and the one number most business owners miss every time they look at it. Profit and loss statement, also called an income statement, is a snapshot of your business's financial performance over a period of time, a month, a quarter, a year. It answers one question: did you make money or not? At the top, you have revenue. That's every dollar that came into your business. Total sales, all of it. This is the easy part, but it's not the whole story. Below that, you'll see your cost of goods sold, or COGS. These are the direct costs tied to delivering your product or service. Materials, direct labor, anything spent specifically to make the sale happen. Then you have operating expenses. So that's rent, software, marketing, salaries for administrative personnel, the cost of running the business whether you make a sale or not. And here's where most business owners get confused. Revenue minus COGS equals gross profit. That's not your take home. Subtract your operating expenses from gross profit and you get net profit. That's the real number. That's what you actually made. A business can have a strong revenue and a negative net profit. That means you're busy but not profitable. And if you're only looking at your bank balance, you won't catch it until it's a problem. Every month, look at three things. Is revenue trending up? Is your gross profit margin percentage stable or improving? Meaning COGS isn't eating more of each dollar of revenue than it should. And now your operating expenses are growing slower than your income. Those three questions tell you if your business is growing in a healthy way or heading towards a cash wall. Looking for more small business finance tips? Subscribe to our channel today.